So here's the thing, guys. Dust is a part of every woodworker's life, and today I'm going to teach you the steps that I took to overcome that obstacle. Stick around. Hey guys, welcome back in. I am Bo. This is Journey Woodwork, where we talk about tips, tricks, procedures for the beginner woodworker. Today we're going to talk about dust collection in your shop. So first off, we're going to go through the items that I use to hang and secure my pipes. It's going to be galvanized hanger straps and picture frame wire. I also use duct tape to connect all my pipes together instead of glue. Once you use pipe glue, it's going to be stuck together forever. You can't get it apart unless you cut it. There's also additional items that I'm going to put in the description down below. I've got all these from Amazon. This is going to be your dust collection hose, your dust collection clamps, and your blast gates if you decide to use blast gates. I highly recommend it. It's just better airflow all around whenever you can cut off the circulation from the tools that you're not using. So I highly recommend double and triple checking your measurements before you make your cut. There's nothing worse than having a pipe that you can't use because you cut it too short. So a good rule of thumb to have after you make your cuts is to just dry fit them. There's no point in having to duct tape them and then have to go back and fix it afterwards because you didn't twist the pipe the right way. So just dry fit everything. Everything should fit snug, and then once everything is in its place and snug, then go back and duct tape. That'll really ensure that the pipes stay together and there's no extra airflow that's escaping out of the seams. As a beginner woodworker, when I first started getting my dust collection put together, I got my pipes, clamps, my hoses, everything together. I assumed that the 4-inch pipe would fit with the 4-inch hose. But when I put them together, they did not fit. They were exactly the same size. They would not fit. So I found a connector piece at the store. I just went around with my pipe and found a smaller connector that fits inside of it, and then duct taped that so the hose will actually fit on there nice and snug. And if you do come across a situation where you have to connect your pipes to drywall, it's as simple as using a stud finder and going straight into the studs with whatever you're using for your connectors. I use 2-inch screws to have a little bit more strength while going into the stud. So if you're already receiving value out of all this information, I'd really appreciate hitting that like button. And question of the day, what type of dust collection are you working with, and how do you like it? So the type of dust collector that I use in my shop is going to be from Harbor Freight. It's the 2 horsepower system. I would love to hear your input. Thanks so much for sticking around with me, guys. If you got value out of this video, if it helps you in any way possible as a beginner woodworker or someone who's just looking to upgrade their dust collection system, please feel free to hit that like button, subscribe, hit the bell so you get notifications when my next video comes out. And I'll have another video out very soon on tips, tricks, procedures on helping that beginner woodworker. Thanks, guys.